Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to the home science class. Get ready with your book and pen so that you can underline the necessary information in your book. The class is presented by me, Hasina Afroz, Assistant Professor of Milestone College, Department of Home Science. Look at the pictures. Dear girls, what you see? There are some pictures which are contain specific nutrient. I hope most of you are understand that. What is our topic today? Let's see. Our topic is iron and iodine, lesson 11, chapter 10. The name of the chapter is Functions of Food and Nutrients. Dear girls, see what you will learn today. Learn about the most important trace elements, iron and iodine, for the human being. Learn about the sources of iron, functions of iron, and deficiency disorders of iron. Learn about the sources of iodine, functions of iodine, and deficiency disorders of iodine. See some iron-rich food. Now, I will discuss the details of iron. Iron is an essential trace element for human being. It is a component of red blood cells. 3 to 5 grams of iron present in our body. More than 2/3 of 65% of it is present in hemoglobin. The rest of it is stored in the liver, spleen, bone marrow, and 5% in muscles. Source of iron. There are two types of source: animal sources and vegetable sources. See the animal sources: liver, kidney, heart, lean meat, egg yolk are the best sources of iron. Then vegetable sources: green leafy vegetables, whole cereals, apples, molasses, dried fruits, etc. are good sources. Milk is a poor source of iron. So, you understand that we can get iron from two types of sources. Then see the functions of iron. The most important functions of iron is to form a component of hemoglobin, then help in enzyme action. Iron is essential for the respiration of all living cells. Deficiency disorders of iron. Anemia is a condition where the hemoglobin level is lowered in the blood. Shortage of iron in the diet is the most common cause of anemia. Which disease occurs due to the deficiency of iron? Anemia. Let's see the symptoms of anemia. Anorexia, impaired of development are common in children. Pallor of the skin and tissues, fatigue, inactiveness, difficulties in respiration. See some iodine based food. The total content of iodine in human body is 12 to 15 milligram. The significance of iodine as an essential trace element lies in its role in thyroxine production. Iodine is the main component of thyroxine. What is the main component of thyroxine? Iodine is the main component of thyroxine. Underline this sentence. The total content of iodine in human body is 12 to 15 milligram. This sentence is a knowledge-based question answer. Underline this sentence also. 2/3 of total iodine remain in the thyroid gland. What is the measurement? Remain in the thyroid gland. 2/3 of total iodine remain in the thyroid gland. Source of iodine. The best sources of iodine are seafoods, common salt and vegetables, meat, etc. See the function of iodine. Thyroxine is the hormone produced by the thyroid gland, and iodine is the main component of thyroxine. Thyroxine plays important roles in normal physical and skeletal development of the child during growing period. Carbohydrates metabolism, the development of brain and nerves. Deficiency disorders of iodine. Iodine deficiency in food results in goiter. This is a disease. If sufficient iodine is not taken in the diet, thyroxine is not produced in the thyroid gland. Listen attentively. If sufficient iodine is not taken in the diet, thyroxine is not produced in the thyroid gland. Thyroid gland then becomes more active to produce the needed amount of thyroxine, and enlargement of the thyroid takes place. The gland becomes visible from a distance. This is goiter. There are some symptoms: mental and physical retardation of growth, construction of muscles, weakness of nerves are common symptoms of goiter. See the picture. Hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism results when thyroxine hormone is not produced in necessary amount. Lethargy, dry skin, irritability to cold, constipation, etc. are some of the symptoms of hypothyroidism. Autism results in small children. See the second picture. First picture is goiter affected women. Second picture is the disease of hypothyroidism. Dear student, listen. When thyroxine hormone is not produced in necessary amounts, this condition is hypothyroidism. Understand? When thyroxine hormone is not produced in necessary amounts, this condition is hypothyroidism. And thyroid gland then becomes more active to produce the needed amount of thyroxine and enlarge or become enlarged. The gland become visible from a distance. This is called goiter. Understand? Then another disease is cretinism. During the growth period is severe deficiency occurs, it results in retarded growth, and the condition is known as cretinism. When pregnant mother is not taking, I repeat it, when pregnant mother is not taking necessary amount of iodine based food, then the child born with cretinism. So three disease occurs due to the deficiency of iodine: goiter, hypothyroidism, cretinism. See your classwork. An adult human body contains what amount of iron? Which disease occurs due to the deficiency of iron? Anemia. What is the amount of iodine in human body? Which disease occurs due to the scarcity of iodine? Which hormone is produced by iodine in thyroid gland? These are your classwork. Write up, hurry. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.